What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video, we are doing an unboxing of RAEGR LS50 adjustable aluminum laptop stand. Now this one is priced at 1499 rupees and it is available on Amazon and its official seller GreedyTech's official website, and it comes in silver color. Now you can use code GreedyTech to get 7% off on orders above 750 rupees. You can follow their socials to get 10% off on orders above 999 rupees. There are two more offers currently available on their website. You can get extra 5% discount on prepaid orders via RAEGR Pay, maximum up to 200 rupees. And you get 20% off on all orders if you use Moria20 code. As of now, this one is valid from 10th to 17th September 2021. Now without further delay, let's get to unboxing. Here's the box. It's a plain simple box. It says RAEGR laptop stand LS50, foldable and metallic, and there's a preview of the stand. On the side it says 1 year warranty. On the back, it has a preview of the stand being used and it has pricing and some more information. Now let's unbox this. Once we open the box, we have this carry bag and inside there is the laptop stand. Now this is how the stand looks like. Let's have an overview. On top there are rubber pads for the laptop grip and placement, and there's RAEGR branding towards top. On the back side, there are rubber pads for the grip on the table or any surface where the stand can be placed. Now this is how it opens, and this can be expanded like this. Now these legs go into the holes on the bottom part, which will keep it in inclined position. There are 8 holes, so it can be placed in 8 different angles. Now this carry bag is made of soft material and it is good to hold. The stand nicely fits in this, which makes it easy to store, and it is portable, so you can carry it anywhere easily. Coming back to the stand, now let's place a laptop on this. And this is how it looks like. You can adjust the angles as per your liking and comfort. As it has rubber pads on top, it won't scratch the laptop. Now this is good for typing. You can also adjust to the lowest levels for maximum comfort for your wrists. But if it becomes difficult, you can use an extra pair of keyboard and mouse to get a great experience with the stand. Laptop in an elevated position gives better neck and shoulder position for relaxing and stress-free usage, as you don't have to slouch and look down onto the screen. This is a pretty ergonomic way to look at a laptop screen. This raised position gives laptop great airflow, in turn helping in the cooling process. And the rubber pads on the bottom give a good grip, so this setup won't move or slip easily while you work on it. This adjustable laptop stand supports all 10 to 16-inch laptops and maybe even slightly bigger ones. You can even place a tablet or an iPad on this stand. So that's the RAEGR LS50 laptop stand. This is a sturdy aluminum stand. It has a nice look with metallic finish, offers multi-angle adjustability. This stand has simple design to store and carry, and comes with a premium quality pouch. Overall, it is pretty good laptop stand at this price range. And if you buy it on GreedyTech website, you get some discount as well. So what do you think about this laptop stand? Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. And I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.